welcome to our channel once again, guys. Your host, Real Nice and Molly. Today we're going to be bringing you a pizza recipe, a pepperoni pizza recipe. This has been requested a lot of times, so we're going to be doing that today. So for this we're going to be using some all-purpose flour for our crust, of course, some yeast. We're going to be using some white mushrooms. They're also called button mushrooms. Pizza sauce, of course. We're going to be using some mozzarella cheese. We're going to use some sweet peppers, salt, sugar, and cooking oil. So that's it. So let's get started. So we're going to start with our crust, of course, here, guys. That's the flour and the yeast. And we have some warm water. Your water has to be warm. Salt, sugar. So we're going to add the cooking oil now. So your crust dough is similar to a bread dough, guys. Same thing. The way it's the texture of it. So once your dough comes together like this here, guys, you want to knead it for about 4 to 5 minutes. And the same thing, repetitive action. You just pull and fold over like this here. Okay, guys, so our dough is done, so we're going to roll this out now to put in our pan. You just roll it out a bit once you put it in there. You can stretch it out to the size of your pan. So you want to put some flour at the bottom of your pan like that. There you go. Voila. Hey, almost perfect. So when you're placing your dough in the pan, you want to bring the edges up a little bit like that, so it holds the sauce and everything in there. Okay, guys, so you also want to make some holes into your dough with a fork like so. That's it. And then you leave this to rise. Okay, guys, so once you've rolled out your dough and set it in your pan, you need to leave this to sit for 20 minutes. And after that, we're going to continue, okay? So we're going to go prepare our topping now. So if you don't want to use the pepperoni, guys, you can make a chicken pizza. And you can add other toppings as well. There's so many other you can add. Pineapple is a popular topping. So you use some different colored peppers so your pizza will look colorful and lovely. Lovely, just like Molly here. So that's our pepperoni. We're going to be using that much. I know the kids would want you to use way more than this, but that's about half of the bag that we had here. So that's it. All our stuff are lined up. We're going to wait for the dough to rise, and then we're going to start layering our pizza. Okay guys, so our time is up. It's time to layer our pizza now. So what you want to do now is press down your dough again. Like so, to the original shape it had before it rise. So time for our pizza sauce. So next is a layer of cheese. As I said, you don't have to get as much ingredients as we have here. You can make it with a lot less. It still is going to taste good. And you can certainly add corn to this as well. A lot of people use corn. It's a popular topping in Guyana. And that pizza is looking nice already, boy. And we don't even have the pepperoni yet. So at the end now guys, you don't want to sprinkle too much cheese on top there because it'll obscure all the other toppings that you have there under. You already have cheese at the bottom, so you don't need to add a lot at the top. Okay, so that's about it. Okay guys, so the oven is up to temperature and we're gonna go put this in right now. So in we go. See you in a bit. Okay guys, so time is up for a pizza. Let's see what it looks like now. Oh la la, look at that. Look at that. Perfect pizza guys. Smelling yummy too. Okay guys, so our pizza came out perfect. Also the crust, if I can show you here. At the bottom, it's not burnt. You see that? Perfect. Okay guys, so we'll have this to cool for a bit. We're gonna cut it now. Look at that. Perfect cooked crust. So there you have it guys, our pepperoni pizza. Like this recipe, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe also. Click the bell icon so you get notifications from us whenever we post a new video. Please share this video also. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.